This is a super professional egg incubator with an efficiency of almost 99%, and I confidently say 99% because I built it completely from 0 to 100 myself. You may have seen in the market, among friends or elsewhere, people who claim they have built an incubator. But the incubators they make usually use ready-made thermostats available in the market, meaning pre-assembled boards whose electronic parts and sensors are already fixed. These ready-made boards typically use very, very poor quality sensors, such as NTC or LM35 sensors. These sensors are very cheap, and after some time they go out of calibration, meaning that after 2 or 3 incubation cycles, you will notice a significant drop in the efficiency of your machine. However, the incubator that I built was designed entirely by myself from scratch using electronics, and I even did all the programming myself. I used an SHT sensor, specifically the SHT20 model. The SHT series has different versions. You can search SHT sensors on Google to see their specifications. SHT sensors are among the most professional sensors in the world. They never lose calibration and have extremely high accuracy. Now, if you look at this board, this is my device's control board. It shows temperature, currently focused at 37.61 degrees Celsius, a clock, humidity settings, shown as RH, adjustable temperature and humidity, 3 buttons for menu navigation and increasing or decreasing values. All of these are explained in detail in my training course. This is the inside of the machine. The motor turns the tray once every hour. Humidity is supplied automatically. Heat is provided using 2 main lamps. There are also 2 backup lamps. These backup lamps work fully automatically. If for any reason one or even both main lamps burn out and the temperature cannot be controlled, the system automatically switches to the backup lamps. This prevents the embryos inside the eggs from dying. Currently, I placed 25 imported duck eggs in the incubator, and all 25 hatched successfully. I've also incubated local chicken and duck eggs in this machine. This is another view of my device. This is also the board that I built, and at the end you can see the SHT sensors, which are extremely sensitive and play a major role in achieving high efficiency.